Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a voting poll on Google Forms. So let's begin. Now I'm going to create a blank form to show you the entire process. So here we are in the blank form. Now I'm going to give our form a title. Afterwards, let's prepare the question. Alright, our question is ready. Now let's prepare the answers. Alright, so I have prepared 3 answers. Now to make this a voting poll type question, I'm going to go to the settings section, and then in responses section, I'm going to click here, limit to 1 response, because we wouldn't want people to vote multiple times from their accounts, and this also requires signing in. So I'm going to limit responses to 1, and then I'm going to now publish this form. So let's publish the form. And now I'm going to open the form in new tab. So as you can see, this form is now open. So I'm going to select an answer. I'm going to submit. And now I'm going to close this option. Now, as you can see, a response has been gathered. So if I go check the response, you'll be able to see that chicken is blue and it has got 100% of the vote. And since I have only voted chicken and none of the other questions got vote, I'm not gathering any responses. Now, if I try to open the form again in new tab, let's see what happens. As you can see, it's telling us that I have already responded. So that's how people will be able to respond only once, thus making this voting poll form fair and square. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.